Hello friends, so in this video we are just going to cover about the Java features. That is a very significant part, and this is my second class. And before this, in my previous classes we have covered about the introductions of Java as a brief. So there we have covered why Java is very important and what is a Java, because machine cannot understand the human language. Rather than they understand only 0 and 1, a logic or machine language or logic bits or binary. So Java is very important for there to understand or to interact with a machine by human. So human create a language, Java, C, C++. These such types of language are very useful and very helpful to interact with the machine. Okay. So in these videos we are going to cover the features of Java now. So any one of you are interested to learn a Java, watch my complete videos, and this is the second video, and the series of videos will be uploaded soon, day by day, step by step. So just understand the features of Java only in these videos. What is the feature of Java means that things like equality are useful things that are fundamental part of Java. On the basis of this feature, Java has been constructed. So one of them, the first feature is simple. Java is a simple language. What does it mean, simple language here? Java is very easy to learn. That means easy to learn means it is in a human language, not is in a binary or a machine language, because binary and machine language is very complex to memorize and it is complex to manipulate and store in data in a mind. So that's why Java is called easy to learn, because it is written in human language and human language is very easy to understand. Okay. The second one is its syntax is very simple and easy to understand. That means syntax means a rules and terms and condition, a set of rules compliance. That means Java could be written in the form of a grammatical form. Syntax means a grammar. You know the grammar, when you are going to write translation about something, there is so many comply and so many rules there to make a grammar as well or make a translation as well. The syntax is a set of rule of programming language. Java is also construct them. Okay. The syntax is a set of rule whereby human can easily interact with a machine with the help of this language. Okay. Remove pointer means a pointer is a special types of variable that hold the address of another variable. So remove pointer is a very useful things in a Java that make it more secure. It's also come in the simple term. Automatic garbage collection, what does it mean here? That's make a Java very simple. Automatic garbage collection means Java have a power to allocate and deallocate the memory automatically. That means when we create an object in Java, it allocate a memory in a separate places in a memory, in a RAM. Okay. When those memory is not useful on that time, the Java automatically release data space. Rather than in a C++, when we create a constructor, memory has been allocated, but we must have to create a destructor to release those. That means we must automatically release the memory in C++. But in a Java, this feature has been included in it and automatically garbage collection has been take place. Alright. Now the second one is object oriented. So we are just going to cover what does a object oriented means here. We have already covered about the object oriented, but there is so many terms and definitions of object oriented as well, and all the definitions are exist truly in a Java. So what is the object oriented means exactly here? Object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of object. Okay. Those codings and software are developing in Java. Alright, when you are going to code a Java, make a class and make an object, etc., anything, it is organized in a particular place. It is organized in a particular place. That means all the attributes, quality and the data and the behaviors are combined in a one place. That is called object. Okay, object knows very well about the class, what actually class have in it. Okay, so object oriented has a strong concept in it, that is called OOPS, object oriented programming. Those OOPS are here and examples are here. So we will discuss one by one what actually object is it, what is a class as it, what is inheritance, polymorphisms, abstraction and encapsulation. Going to discuss one by one. First of all, I will going to explore about and going to define about encapsulation. What does encapsulation in it? What do you understand the means of encapsulate? Encapsulate actually means to make something in a container, to make a whole things in a container. Like a capsule, you have already seen that there is so many granules in it, and the medicines are granules, small like a ball, like a structure. It will be a small granules in it, and when it is combined in a capsule, that is called encapsulation. But in Java, when your code are combined together in a box, that is called encapsulation. Let me take an example on the screen. The example of encapsulation is open brace and close brace. When you are going to write a code between these two open and close brace, that is called encapsulation. And when you are going to write outside of this open brace or outside of this close brace, that is error. Okay, so we must have to define all the codes amongst this open and close brace. It is an encapsulation. So next is, what is class is here. A class is the unique name of that encapsulation or incorporated area. That means the boundary, the name of that boundary. Suppose we are going to create a 10 encapsulated area, so how computer will be recognize those all areas in it. So encapsulate with the help of this class name, encapsulations are identified. Suppose this encapsulation name is student. Okay, class is a keyword, it is a reserved word in a Java. Those are used to define the unique name of that boundaries. Those you have created as an encapsulation. This is a boundary. Okay, what is an object here? Object is an instance of this all boundary and classes. Okay, because object knows very well the all attributes, the member of class those has been defined in it. Let me take an example. I am going to just make it clear with the help of this diagram. This is a class and this is the member of class. Suppose there is a 2 and 3 member in it, in this boundary or in this class. So who will knows very well about this member of class? Object. Object are those man who has a more knowledge about the member of class. Okay, this is the object, and object know about this, object know about this, object know about this, and object know about this. That means this is the object and this is the member of class. So object is the instance of class. Okay, those have a full knowledge of the all the attributes and data of class. Those are present or those are reside in it. Okay, so before know this all feature, we must have to create the object. Then what is the process and how we can create the object of class? Just write the name of class, create the object name, assignment operator, new keywords, and what is their constructor. Okay, so here a student is the class name, and this is the object, and this is the assignment operator, and this is the new keywords, and this is the student constructor. So we will later discuss about it, how we can create a object of a class in a later program. And the next is inheritance. So we are going to cover about the inheritance in this next phase. What is inheritance means? Inheritance means taking a previous code in a new code. That means we create a new block of code here, and we want to put the previous this code in it. All right. So with the help of these extend keywords, we use that name of class to extend the previous code in it. Okay. So this is the example of inheritance. Now second one is portable. Okay. What does it mean portable here? We can carry the codes along with us. Like we can send the codes. We can carry this code with a pen drive, on a server, etc. We can send a code here and there. That means these facilities are not available in the previous programming language like a C and C++, but these facilities are available in Java. All right. So with the help of Java, we can carry our code as well. Okay. Write once and run anywhere. That means platform independent. That means Java is platform independent. Let me take an example. I will explain it about with the help of a diagram. Suppose this is a window, okay, and this is a Linux, all right, and this is a Mac, all right. This is a window, this is a Linux, and this is a Mac. Let me write the name. Don't be more confused about it, okay? All right. This is a Linux and this is a Mac, okay? Sorry, those is misspan. Okay, Mac. So if you are going to compile the codes in a Windows, this compiled code will run on Linux, and if we are going to compile on Linux, this code will run on Mac, and if I will compile the code in Mac, it will run on Windows. That means platform independent. Once you are compile the codes, it will run on any platform. There is only one condition, that there would be a separate virtual machine to run this all code. Okay. Now second one is secure. Okay, what does it mean secure? Here we are just going to cover about security. That means Java is a best known for security. Okay, how it will be secure? Then C is not a secure language, but there is a more concept why C is not secure. But in Java there is no explicit pointer. Okay, this makes things more clear that Java is secure. And these features make Java more secure. And the second one is Java program is run inside the virtual machine sandbox. That means Java allocate its own memory in a separate places. Let me take an example how the Java take the separate memory in RAM. Suppose this is a RAM, all right, and how the Java take place in RAM? It allocates its own memory like this. That is called JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Okay, JVM. This is separate memory allocated in RAM. That's make Java more secure. Okay, next is robust. What does it mean robust here? Robust mean is strong memory management. Okay, that means you have already seen with the help of diagram strong memory management. Java provide automatic garbage collection. Have already mentioned before how and what is the Java automatic garbage collection. Is it when the memory allocated in a Java as an object, this will be reached automatically, and there is exception handling in it. That means if such operations are take place in Java like 1 divided by 0, that is the exceptional handling, means there will be nothing as a result, and this is a runtime error. If we are going to compile it, the compiler will no flag any error because its syntax is very strong, but at the place of runtime it will create an error. Architecture neutral means, what does it mean here? Architecture neutral, if you are going to using a 32-bit system and 64-bit system, So there could be a chances in a C or C++ language, the integers and the data types are take the size of 2 bits and 4 bits, etc., whatever. But in Java, it will be constant, like a 4 bits. All right. So these things are make a architectural neutral in it. Interpreter, that means a compiler. Those are used for converting the codes. Same interpreter as well, but there is so many different compiler interpreter. We will discuss later about this. What does it mean multi-threading here? Multi-threading, that means a sub process. If a Java take any process, there would be a sub process in it concurrently working in a particular size of memory, that is called multi-threading. All the threads are running in Java concurrently, that means like a typing, checking the spelling, etc. This is all example of multi-threading. Okay, and the next phases we are going to cover about the Java program hello world. Okay, first Java program we will discuss more and more things here. Okay, so hope you guys are understand the points what I'm trying to say. If you have any doubt, just try to repeat this video, and if you have also then after you will have any doubt about the Java, just leave a comment. I will make you more clear, and my videos has already made in the Hindi language as well. If you are interested, you must have to watch Hindi as well, and this is for only those are comfortable with English. That's why we make a videos. If guys you are not interested to watch my videos in English, you must have to go for Hindi, and the guys you are not interested in Hindi, you must have to go with this English classes. Okay, like my videos and subscribe my channel for upcoming new updates, and share it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.